Good day everyone, I'm Princess Maxine Angela Castro and I'm a representative from T-Shape. But before we start the presentation, let me ask you a question. What is the most important thing as an aspiring civil engineer? It's understanding concepts, right? And T-Shape has got you covered. Because T-Shape is a company that provides tutorial services with the tagline, Conquering Challenges Through Excellence. Our mission is to develop the knowledge of Filipino learners and improve the quality of education in contribution to the development of the nation. We envision to be an inspiration to Filipino learners in achieving excellence.
Business concept statement. T-Shape Tutorial Services strive to contribute to establish and develop the knowledge and academic excellence of the Filipino learners in engineering and mathematics-related subjects by offering a quality and convenient tutorial service in Luzon.
What we do, we establish, we develop, we contribute.
Our company saw an opportunity in the market and we are going to solve it.
Let's talk about educational crisis in the Philippines. 60% of engineering students fail. What does this mean? Well, according to the research by Commission on Higher Education mula sa Professional Regulations Commission or PRC, noong 2009, ang passing rate of the Philippines ay nag-decrease from 38.67% to 36.09%, which means that 60% of college graduate na nag-take ng professional exam ay nag-fail. Ang courses na may lowest passing rate ay nanggaling sa engineering at iba pang katulad nito. The Philippines also ranks second lowest among 79 countries in both mathematics and scientific literacy in the program for International Students Assessment. While in 2019, the Philippines ranked last among 58 participating countries in the International Assessment for Mathematics and Science for Grade 4 students. And that is all according to the Trends in International Mathematics and Science Study of 2019. Not only that, the quality of Philippine education has been decreasing massively because of the COVID-19 pandemic. With all these data gathered, we have seen an opportunity to help diminish the crisis by launching a tutorial service business. The team found that factors including uncooperative teaching environment, limited resources, and the devastating pandemic have significantly affected the quality of learning acquired by the student, especially in mathematics and engineering subjects which are supposedly the main focal areas. And that's where T-Shape comes in, because it aims to offer tutorial services to all interested secondary, high school, engineering college, and graduate students residing in Luzon who perceive themselves in need of supplemental educational assistance. Ang T-Shape ay magpro-provide ng mga products and services na kailangan ng mga customers within their comforts. T-Shape assures the customers of healthy, safe, and productive teaching environment. Magpro-provide din ang T-Shape ng learning materials upang malaman ang natutunan ng mga estudyante at kung paano pa mapapalawak ang kanilang pagkatuto. What services and products do we offer? First, we are composed of professionals. We provide legitimate education for you. Our services embodies our tagline, Conquer Challenges Through Excellence. We have professionals in our team to provide quality education that we promised. After countless research and studies, the business was designed based on the country's educational problems. In recognition of the emerging technological advancement, we took advantage and designed T-Shape. It will provide an accessible and modern approach to provide high quality of education. The service costs range from 1,000 to 5,000 pesos depending on the time, customer's location, and complexity of the topics. Another expense is the learning materials that costs range from 500 to 1,000 pesos. If we are going to talk about our competitors, they are those that are pre-existing. But we have an edge because we are more advanced and convenient because transactions can be done through technology. And with regards to our future competitors, we will make sure that we read the reviews and rates of our customers to assure that we are continuously providing quality education. The business model. Tishay is service-based that offers the talent and expertise of our tutors in exchange of fee from the clients. We also offer learning material tools for the students' evaluation. Our key partners includes private companies. It includes telecommunication, transportation, and printing companies. We also conform to the standards and regulation of the Philippine Regulatory Commission, Department of Education, and Commission on Higher Education to certify the organization as an authorized academic entity. We aim to consistently provide high-quality services to the market through constant development of the internal assets and marketing and preserving the institution's legality. In addition, our valuable resources will be maximized and properly utilized, such as the expertise and masteries of our educators and professionals, the means such as social media platforms, software-based conference and learning material tools, and the dedication to ensure the academic excellence of the student body. To establish great relationship with the customers, Tishay aims to provide an interactive learning through active discussion. This can either be through face-to-face or video conferencing through social media platforms in a safe and healthy environment or through the comforts of the customer's own home. Cost structure covers our business assets. It is tangible and intangible in nature, and it includes the transportation, licensing, and marketing costs. It also covers the professional and operational costs and learning material costs. Before we start with technology and innovation, did you know that 73% of Filipinos use internet today? And in January 2021, there are 89 million users of digital and social media. Now, according to research, 7 out of 10 Filipinos are confident to go cashless. Tishay will take advantage of technological advancement to give convenience and efficiency to our customer, which will result to a very marketable position. Just like Grab and Shopee, which is both a very large company, the business will use social media platforms, websites, software application tools, and delivering services to the people. Aside from walk-in registrations, gagamit ang Tishay ng website kung saan available ang profile and details tungkol sa business na ito. Gagamitin din ang website para makapag-book ng reservations at para makapag-register. Dito rin makikita or mabe-verify ang profile ng tutor at ng client. Another technological advancement that will be used in the company is the GPS or the Global Positioning System. It will be used to have productivity, to lessen the cost, and this will also help us create competitive advancement in the market. Cashless payment. Our company will accept different modes of payment to make it safer for our clients. Our company will be accepting bank cards, debit or credit, digital e-wallet, and we will still also accept cash. Through social media platforms, the business will execute its marketing strategy to reach out to customers and provide the service that they need. With all these innovation, Tishay can say that we are one click away from you. For sales and marketing strategy, Tishay aims to use the following as channels on promoting products and services. First, our social media page will be used for promoting and selling products and services. The comment section and e-messages will be used to transact with customers. This will also be used for customers to avail our products, book a reservation, to have a tutorial service. Offline advertising such as tarpaulins will also be used. Word of mouth, website, and a physical store will also be used to promote and sell our products and services. The price of payment will be based on the time consumed, customer's location, and complexity of the topics. The learning materials price will depend on how much content will be inside. The products and services will have an average price for students to be able to afford it. So other factors that needs to be considered for the business to sell its services and products would be there should be proper execution of advertising. The products and services should be of good quality so we can have a great reputations with our customers, so the word of mouth would attract more customer. Another factor would be communication and interaction. When the customers are already considering our products and services, it should be easy for them and clear for them so that they would easily avail our products. A social media, website, and application manager should also be available in order to cater the needs of our customers at the time required or as soon as possible.
That's it for our presentation. Thank you, and remember to always conquer challenges through excellence.